Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin si Mr. Cash na part na isang online lending platform na nagpapautang sa atin ng up to 20,000 pesos. Panoorin niyo na tong video na to para may idea kayo bago mag-apply kasi dito nakasalalay ang ating mga personal information, interest at kanyang mga penalty charges. So, bago ang lahat, may 50 pesos GCash giveaway ako sa mga nag-subscribe at mag-comment ng Mr. Cash, hashtag Mr. Cash, hashtag legit, at pipili ako ng isang lucky winner at hintayin ang aking announcement. So, if you're interested, please keep on watching. So, download Mr. Cash app sa Play Store. Mag-prepare lang mo ng one valid ID and Gmail address. Kapag na-download nyo na, open the app and click login or sign up. Mag-sign up muna tayo guys. So, mag-sign up tayo using our mobile phone number at maghintay tayo ng verification code na isasend sa atin ni Mr. Cash. So, ito na yung dashboard na may eligible loan amount na 1,500 na may low interest, long term. So, i-click natin apply now. So, ito na yung i-access ni Mr. Cash sa ating mobile phone. Camera storage, location, application list, SMS. So, click agreed button kung payag ka at basahin ang privacy policy ni Mr. Cash. So, click read and agreed. So, dito magtatanong si Mr. Cash kung saan daw natin nakikita ang kanilang app. So, kung nakikita mo yan online, offline, or sa vlog, i-click mo yan. So, kung may referral code ka, i-type mo yan yung code para may chance na ma-approve ka kay Mr. Cash. So, dito, fill up lang natin ating personal information, ng ating mga valid ID. Ito yung current address. Ito yung ating source of income. At dito naman, may choose your desired loan amount. So, kung gusto mo 1,500 yung hiramin mo, i-drag mo lang yan pa slide. Kung gusto mo 1K, so 1K. So, i-click natin yung apply now. So, at dito naman may desired term. Kung kailan mo to gustong bayaran. Kung gusto mo yung 18 days or 30 days. So, click 18 days. Tap next. You apply for a loan of 1,000. To receive your funds in success, make sure to input correct and valid info. So, i-choose natin guys kung saan natin to makuha yung niloloan natin. Kung gusto natin GCash or other e-wallets, gusto natin yung bank, so i-type natin yung bank account, yung GCash natin. Kung gusto natin sa Maya, i-type natin yung GCash number. At dito naman guys, i-review natin yung loan information natin. So, dapat i-double check natin yung kung tama ba yung payment method, yung bank account number natin, kung tama ba. At dito yung may service fee, ito na may 9%. Fund receive natin is 910 lang. So, hindi talaga buo yung makukuha natin kay Mr. Cash. So, loan term natin is 18 days. Meron ditong fee charge in the case of default. Pay by the due date to avoid incurring a late of fee. 1%, the late fee will be applied to your outstanding. So, basahin nyo muna yung terms and condition guys bago nyo ito confirm. So, basahin natin yung terms and conditions bago natin i-submit. Alam nyo, legit talaga si Mr. Cash. Kasi nakapaliit lang talaga yung interest niya. Kapag good payer ka, so meron talagang chance na maka-bagger loan ka ulit. So after nyo i-click yung submit, ito meron na yung in review. So our loan is in review. For new users, loan review will be done 1 to 3 hours. So maghintay lang tayo kung ito by approve or disapprove. So kapag approve kayo sa loan na ito, madidisburse agad yan in 5 minutes. Mas madali talaga kapag GCash or depende sa inyo kung saan yung convenient nyo makuha yung loan nyo. Okay talaga si GCash, dapat good payer kayo, be responsible sa pagbabayad ng mga online lending app. So, unfortunately guys, disapprove ako So, siguro, ewan ko. So, that is for today, guys. See you in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share para updated kayo sa aking mga susunod na mga videos. Thank you for watching!